What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we have got a smart chessboard that actually fights back. SenseRobot, the AI powered coach with a robotic arm and over 1200 exercises built in. It's positioned as an all-in-one smart chess companion, an AI coach, a robotic challenger, and a connected board built for real players. After a week of testing, here's everything that stood out. Before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
A couple million now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
The build on this thing is surprisingly premium. The board feels sturdy, the mat surface looks clean, and the pieces have actual weight, not some hollow plastic stuff. But the real highlight is the robotic arm. With 4 degrees of freedom, it can grip vertically with precision and even recognize fallen pieces. It uses 3D recognition to track positions, and yes, it resets games without needing help. Watching it silently glide across the board and make moves for both sides is kinda mesmerizing. The first few sessions might just turn into quiet observation. It doesn't just play, it moves with intent. This is where the robot becomes more than just an opponent. SenseRobot includes 25 structured courses, 14 for absolute beginners and 11 for early learners. It starts with the basics, rules, piece movement and openings. Then it moves into strategy, traps and tactical patterns. The AI coaching system brings over 1200 exercises and reacts to mistakes instead of just explaining them.
Wrong, don't be discouraged. You'll get it right next time.
When a risky move is played, it continues rather than correcting, demonstrating consequences through gameplay using its built-in chess engine. There are also 145 endgame scenarios, preloaded and organized by difficulty, from rook versus pawn endings to complex zugzwangs. It covers a broad range of challenges, and the feedback feels natural, never condescending or forced.
Winning and losing are common in games. I believe you will get better and better. Keep it up.
Over time, the robot highlights weaknesses without pressure, encouraging better decisions through repetition.
You have completed the current exercise.
It's chess education with structure and attitude, not lectures. With 25 AI levels, spinning ELO 200 to 2900, SenseRobot delivers a range of difficulty that feels genuine. The AI at lower levels plays casually, but at higher settings, it calculates deep, punishes mistakes, and sets tactical traps.
You cannot castle at this moment. Please check carefully. Okay, let's continue.
Difficulty can be adjusted manually, allowing for progression at a comfortable pace. It's a rare feeling, facing an opponent that adapts instead of overwhelming. Post-game analysis is where things get even better. Each match includes move-by-move insights, spotlighting missteps, and pointing out better alternatives. This transforms gameplay into a learning tool that evolves over time. Rather than relying on apps or coaches, the board itself becomes a training ground that's always ready. Silent, steady, and just a little unforgiving. Just the right kind of opponent. One standout feature is integration with Lichess.org. Once synced, SenseRobot mirrors real-time online matches on the physical board, recreating each move from remote players using its robotic arm. The camera-based system captures every motion accurately, and across multiple matches, misreads are almost non-existent. Whether matched against strangers or familiar accounts, Each session feels alive. There's something different about seeing real world movement reflect a digital match. It brings energy and focus back to online chess. Less screen fatigue, more immersion. Combined with smooth mechanics and responsive AI, the board delivers a modern experience while keeping the game's traditional feel intact. SenseRobot isn't for casual dabblers, but for anyone serious about chess or just tired of tapping on screen. It brings the game back to life in a high-tech way. It's a physical board, a robotic opponent, a 24/7 coach, and an online matchmaker rolled into one. The setup takes a few minutes, but once it's ready, it never gets boring. I've left a link to this SenseRobot in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. But before you go, well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any question about this, don't forget to share your questions or any of your thoughts and ideas in the comment section.